Coming at you with a new theme today that was released from Cydia. It's called Boss, and in my opinion, this theme is pretty boss. So let's take a look. We have the Springboard. You'll see that there's the date, the weather, and a kind of cool looking wallpaper banner up at the top. It themes most of the icons very nicely, and they change for the ones it does change, like Spring to My app right there. It changes them to look very unique in my opinion. The lock screen. It's a pretty cool lock screen. Nice little slider with the Boss B on it and a nice wallpaper. It's kind of like a banner, and the clock, and then you got a weather widget with your sunrise and sunset time, and then the weather, mine says fair, and then temperature 84 degrees, and then a widget for the date. So that's overall a pretty awesome lock screen, if I do say so myself. Keyboard, it's a pretty simple keyboard, but I like how there's no lines in between the letters. They're just kind of all smooth, and it flows really nice. It's a like I said, it's a simple keyboard theme, but it goes with the Boss theme very nicely. The font, it changes your font too that you download, and it also themes inside the App Store. You can see the font's not the same as what it usually is on the default theme for your iPhone. Pretty cool. I can show you here too. Here's the letters. Pretty easy to read theme, and I like it very well. On the titles for the apps, it makes them smaller, but it makes it look very nice with the theme. Theme is a custom Zeppelin logo, carrier logo. Up top, you'll see up at the top by the signal, it says Boss, and it goes along with the theme, and it looks pretty cool. You inside of some of the apps, like the weather app here, you'll see it changes it. That's not how the default weather app looks. Looks pretty awesome. Let's see, another one would be the clocks. They're changed. It changes the theme of that. And the timer, you'll see under your calculator, if I can find it. I'll just search for it. Here you go. You'll see the calculator's changed too. Looks pretty awesome. So yeah, and I showed you the App Store, and here's the iTunes Store. It's pretty cool how it themes them to go with the theme, changes the fonts, and you can see the font is changed to go with the app. How to get this theme, you'll need to go into Cydia, click the Manage tab, Sources, Edit, and Add. Type in repo.insanelyeye.com and add the source. You'll need to go into the Search tab and search for Boss, and under it you'll come up with Boss ColorKeyboard, Boss Fonts, Boss LS TouchSpin, Boss Zeppelin logo, and Boss.ios. First you'll need to download the Boss.ios for the theme, because that's the actual theme that changes it. The Boss Zeppelin logo is what I showed you up there for the carrier. The Boss LS TouchSpin is for when I showed you on the lock screen. I could rotate it to show wallpaper, the weather widget, and the date. And the Boss Fonts is the font that I showed you that it changed, and the Boss ColorKeyboard. Downloaded and have everything selected, your weather widgets will not be for your location. So to do that, you'll need to get your city code to use in iFile to change that. You need to go to weather.com and then click accept and OK. It'll resolve your location. It'll load up. Make sure it's your right location up there. Click in the search address bar and put your cursor in the middle of those last should be 4 letters and 4 numbers, and then click select and copy that. You'll need to go into iFile and click bar, scroll down, click stash, scroll down, themes, find the Boss theme, and we'll do the Boss Springboard widget theme. You'll need to click setup.js, text viewer, click edit, and you'll need to scroll down where it says step 2, then enter your city code here, var locale. You'll need to click that, backspace whatever in there, and then paste your city code that you got from weather.com. It'll also be in Celsius when you download this. So right here where it says var is Celsius, it'll say true. You can change that to false if you want it in Fahrenheit. If you do not, then just leave it how it is. Once you do that, click save and done. Into themes, and you'll click on the Boss.TouchSpin.theme. Click setup.js, text viewer, same thing, edit, go down, change your city code, which still should be on your clipboard, and paste that in there, and also change it to false if you want it for Fahrenheit instead of Celsius, which will already be on there. Click save and done, and then you'll just go back into here and you'll need to X out, and you'll need to respring your device. It should have the correct temperature here, and it'll also have the correct temperature here and your town there. Also, you can go into your camera roll and select a photo and just set it as your lock screen, and when you change that, it sets it as this and the lock screen. Kinda sucks that you can't have 2 different ones, but oh well, it's not really that big a deal. And once you select it, don't freak out that it doesn't change your wallpaper. You'll need to respring before it changes the wallpaper, before it takes effect. So just go in there, set as wallpaper for your lock screen, and then respring your device, and you should be set. Before downloading this theme would be Gridlock, so you can put your icons anywhere so they don't overlap your widgets on your Springboard. 5-column Springboard for layout. ColorKeyboard, which lets you change the keyboard. If you don't know how to get ColorKeyboard, check out my other video. You'll need Font to change the font of your iDevice for all your keyboard mods and fonts. That's what those will be coming for. My SB settings is just the regular standard theme. It says that they'll come out with that soon, and also notification center mods. They will have that soon too, instead of just this one that goes with the theme. It should look a lot nicer, and I'm looking forward to that. You'll need to check for updates to this theme every once in a while, because since this just came out, I'm sure there'll be a lot of updates coming in the future. Since this is just a new theme, before you can download this is you'll need iFile to change your location for the widgets, and you'll also need Winterboard to apply the theme. It's the new Boss theme. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for other videos on jailbreaking tips, tweaks, and apps, and also comment with any questions or any requests for future videos. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and peace.